case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1948, the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit heard the case of Lorenz v. Colgate-Palmolive-Peet Co., which dealt with patent rights and the concept of prior public use. The dispute arose when Lorenz claimed to be the first inventor of a soap manufacturing process and glycerine recovery. However, Colgate held a patent for the same process and had already been using it in its factory. The appellate court ruled in favor of Lorenz for the priority of invention, but it also declared his patent invalid due to Colgate's prior use of the process. Lorenz argued that this use by Colgate had wrongfully invalidated his monopoly. The court considered related cases to make a decision. Lorenz and Wilson later sued Colgate in a patent interference case. They aimed to invalidate Colgate's patent and assert their own. However, the court found Colgate's patent to be valid without explicitly ruling on Lorenz's patent. The court ultimately decided that inventors who failed to file a patent application within the prescribed period and were faced with intervening public use would be barred from receiving patent or monopoly benefits. The judgment of the lower court was upheld, and Ittner's patent was declared valid in a previous appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.